Naghahanap ka ba ng property na very accessible at malapit sa lahat? No spot down payment at located lang sa Las Piñas City? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Metro Manila Condominium na pasok sa Pag-ibig Financing. Tamang-tama si Metro Town para sa inyo. For as low as 7,400 sa studio unit at 28,000 naman para sa 2-bedroom. Yes, kayang-kaya mo magkaroon ng condominium na pwede mo gawing residential, rental, or Airbnb business. At pasok din ito sa mga pet lover dahil ito ay pet-friendly community. Few minutes drive nga lang tayo sa schools, worship area, hospitals, malls, markets, at marami pang iba. Accessible din tayo sa Manila, Alabang, Muntinlupa, Laguna, Cavite, at airport. In terms of amenities, we have children and adult swimming pool, jogging path and garden area, basketball court, function hall, sports facilities, safe and spacious children's playground, and outdoor dining. I-check na natin sa bucket list mo ang inyong condominium goal. Send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!